Hello everyone, it's Mike from the fxpivotpoint.com, and I would like to welcome you to 2011. Hope you had a happy new year. It blows my mind that it's going this fast. I cannot believe I'm as old as I am. Alright, well, nothing I can fucking do about that. Time's gonna go and I can't do much to stop it. What we can do is analyze this cool pair. We got the Euro USD, our typical day trading chart on a 15-minute time frame, and you can see what we got. If you took the trades last week, all of them, boom, 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 everyone was a winner. So you would have been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 5. Not bad. And actually, on this one, even if you would have got in early, well, that would have been really close, right? At 29, let me see. Nope, you'd still been. That would have been a profit. I waited and woke up, and we were right here when I woke up today and started my trading day, and I saw that they had the bulls tried to blow up through the pivot point, and you can see what they did. Where's my cool little boop 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 v boo doodle? Come on, where are you? There you are. Go on up. That's it. 10, nope, 10 is too big. How about 4, and how about a pencil? You can see that, look at this candle right here. Yeah, that tells you that the push up through was sold off pretty hard. Alright, so they're like, nah, no thanks. Pivot point's going to be where you go today. And you know, that seems to be natural because it's spent, the pair spent the entire day below the pivot point. And notice it went right down to S1. Something you'll see a lot of. I remember the pairs will often vacillate in between different points, different areas of support and resistance. So we're here. We spent the entire day, and spent this entire session below the pivot point. So there was no reason that we should have been headed up here. All right, with the bias being a bearish bias for the beginning of the first trading day of the new year. And it wasn't, so I took a sell here and took off at 20. Took my profit right here at 20 because of this little. Well, I primarily did because the news was coming out, and most of you know I want to be in the sidelines during any news release. Mostly tier 1, but any news release. Not to mention the beginning of the equity open. It's it's a sucker's game, so just stay out. And if you take a look, let's go. Let me cancel him out. Let's see if I will. All right, send him to the bottom. Go take a look at. Remember, folks, if you're not familiar with the trading method or the Forex Focus, this is our trading forum dedicated to how I trade my approach called trading in the black. And as you can see, I'll often do an analysis on the trades I take, and you can see here, I'll tell you, I write a little bit about it, why I would take the trade, and then I often attach picks, like here was the pick in progress. Let me log in to show you. Let's see, does I remember my, well, we can do that, that's fine. Doesn't matter who we log into as long as we can see the picks. And we can see the picks, so you can see here was my trade in progress for the day. And I said why I took it. So it's often good to come here and take a look at, again, you gotta blow it up a little bit. But you can see I took it right at the pivot point and then closed her down about 30 later, right at 20. Just like I said I was going to do. Alright, so if you're new to the system and you haven't been to the Forex Focus, check us out. Come and you don't have to be. There's no cost. You just come, sign up, and then log out. Let's log out, and you can see. Sure you want to? Yeah, I'm sure. Alright, come back to the Focus, and you can see this little thing. A lot of people say, well, where do you register? Well, it is a little obtuse. So let's take a look. These are just frequently asked questions, which is really nothing there. I register, and that's where you register, and you're Very straightforward. Register, sign in, and join our conversations. You know, it's just not me. There are some other really good traders here. All right. Let's get back to looking at it. Let's take a little longer look. Now look, see where we are. Where's my cool little thing? Come on, Doodle. Bring your ass up. All right, so we're back to our Doodle. Yeah. Look where we're done. We're at the. Look where we're at. Psh, boop boop boop. Support, and it becomes resistance, right? But look where we are. If we drew our fib, we've had this fib up for a long time. Look where we stopped right here, right near the 38. Sorry, again near the 38, and look how close we got to stop at the 38. So we're moving between these two levels. All right. So when this little box breaks, you know, we could definitely see some good movement. Now, I would be a little leery because I'm still very bearish on this pair. Fundamentally, the European Union is, you know, still pretty much a disaster, and they need to do some things over there to clear up their situation, to provide some visibility before we see this go up, in my opinion. But you know, who knows? Trade what you see. So let's say we break out here. Our resistance will surely be the 50. We will definitely get a bounce here, unless it's something massive. Some great news for the euro, which, you know, so far for quite a long time it hasn't been. So let's say we do. You can see this little bar is trying to pull up. See him? See him? He's trying to pull up. I'm trying to pull up. All right. So let's say we get a bounce to here. We're definitely coming back down here. We break here. All right. So where's our next level? If we break this, our fib, our next level is certainly right here. So if we break this, so this is what happens. Boom, down, go to there. And if I were a betting man and I had to bet long term, that's what I'd be betting on. But I'm not. I'm going to trade what I see, and I'm going to day trade based on the charts. And my new mantra this year is to keep my stops tighter than send it to exit. My stops tighter than a duck's ass. All right, that's it. So that is the first few trades of the new year. If you have any questions, you can always fire them to me at the Forex Focus, and I can answer them. And if I can't answer them, I'll find someone who can. All right. Thank you very much for watching the video. You guys have a great new year, and I'm looking forward to the new year. It should be another great one. Thank you. Later, folks.